you interview? Come.
Come, Manda. चलिए come. मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि मिजवा एक छोटा सा गांव ईस्टर्न यूपी आजमगढ़ में जो इतना छोटा था कि वो हिंदुस्तान के नक्शे पे भी नज़र नहीं आता था, उसको कोई पिन कोड भी नहीं था, लेकिन आज कैफ़ी आज़मी साहब की कोशिशों की वजह से मिजवा तमाम दुनिया में जाना जाता है। मिजवा का जो काम हो रहा है उसमें हमारे साथी रहे हैं मनीष मल्होत्रा, जिनकी मैं बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने इन औरतों को रोज़गार का एक ज़रिया देकर इनकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली लाई है। मेरे लिए, मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के लिए हमेशा मेरी फ़िल्म इंडस्ट्री के तमाम लोगों ने हाथ बढ़कर हमेशा जो भी मैंने मांगा है वो बिना किसी सवाल किए दिया है। आप सब लोग ये जानते हैं कि पिछले 6 बरसों में अमिताभ बच्चन से लेकर सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा तक, प्रियंका चोपड़ा से लेकर श्रद्धा कपूर तक, तमाम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग हमारे लिए रैंप पर चल चुके हैं। हमारे लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि अनुष्का शर्मा, जो इससे पहले भी हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं और जो गर्ल्स एम्पावरमेंट के लिए पूरी तरह से फील करती हैं, वो आज हमारी शो स्टॉपर हैं। और उनके साथ शाहरुख खान का मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के साथ जुड़ना हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। और मिजवा गाँव में इतनी एक खुशी की लहर दौड़ रही है कि जो लोग आज यहाँ मौजूद नहीं हैं, हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि मिजवा के कुछ लोग हमारे साथ यहाँ मौजूद हैं, लेकिन जो लोग नहीं भी मौजूद हैं वो भी मेकअप लगाकर, बाल बनाकर बस एक इमेजिनरी टेलीविज़न के सामने बैठे हैं कि वो जो हम देख रहे हैं हमारी नज़रों से वो देख सकें। थैंक यू।
I'm really happy to be here. I really
love the Mijwan show, and I can't wait to see Shah Rukh Khan sir and Anushka working. I've always been a Manish Malhotra fan. I've worn his creations when I was promoting Kung Fu Yoga, and it's just great to be here for a social cause such as Mijwan. And I want to see the show. I'm dying to see it. Yeah, it did. I'm really happy. I couldn't believe the response we got for that movie, and like I said, I'm just really happy. No, I'm just watching. Don't worry. I'm just here in support. I did, of course. I think what she's doing is absolutely amazing. I think this is by far one of the biggest acts of women empowerment we've ever seen, and I'm just here to support the cause.
Let me ask you about the biggest news of today. Mr. Karan Johar becomes a parent.
Congratulations to him. I think he'll make a really, really nice parent. I love Coffee with Karan, and he seems like a really fun person, so I think he'll be the fab dad. Thank you.
Hi, all about Karan. It's very high now. Yes. I think it's a fabulous cause, and I should not be saying that the first time I'm actually attending the fashion show. Shabana keeps complaining that I don't come, and whatever they do it with the proper intention. So I think that is what is important. The intention is not just to get publicity or to, it's actually to help the village. Yes, of course. Yes, that's special. Shah Rukh, Anushka both are walking. I think it's the first time he's walking for Mijwan, so. And I'll get to meet all my cousins inside, so. Hello, Sumit. How are you? Good evening.
Manish's collection will be over there.
Yes.
कहना चाहेंगे इस तरह one of the world.
Of course, Manish तो मतलब अब मैं क्या तारीफ करूँ उसकी. आप लोग, he is the biggest designer, और आज मेरे लिए उसने कपड़े नहीं भेजे वो अलग बात है, but his fashion shows are always amazing.
Farah, let me ask you about the biggest news of
Yes, yes, yes,
Karan has become a parent.
yes.
आपने शायद उनको
नहीं, मैंने एक्चुअली जब हम साजिद के शो पे गए थे तो तभी दे आस्क्ड मी कि आप व्हाट डू यू वांट फॉर Karan, and I said I feel that he should have kids, and it's time that he either adopts or surrogacy, and I'm thrilled. I think it's the best thing that can happen to him.
अपनी तरफ से आप टिप्स भी देना चाहेंगे.
हाँ, मैंने उसको बोला है, उसको एक नैनी चाहिए होगी तो मैं हूँ ना. Yeah. I want to say it's time we had a man's day also. Why should we get only one day in the whole year? मैं खुद यार 2-3 स्क्रिप्टें चल रही हैं, जैसे होगा you never know. I have no idea. My flaw is that I am perfect. I don't have any flaws.
Hi, come here. Give me a hug. Yes, gentlemen. It's a privilege to be here this evening. I am dressed in Manish Malhotra, needless to say, and I have on a sari that has been made by women with the specialized work that Mijwan does. As you know, Mijwan is a village in Uttar Pradesh, जहाँ पर पिछले 6 एडिशंस जो हम यहाँ पर 6 मेज़बान के शोज़ देख चुके हैं, वहाँ पर कुछ 300 औरतों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिली है, काम करने का मौका मिला है, to stand on their own feet. And when he allows me this opportunity to come and be a part of this evening and to celebrate this with Ma'am Shabana Azmi, with Ms. Goyal and Mr. Malhotra, it is an absolute privilege. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि I can be a part of this every year.
Will you be walking the ramp or you will be cheering them for the event?
Well, if I was walking the ramp, you would have known about it. No, I'm not walking the ramp this time.
I would like to say something about the Women's Day since it's a cause for the women also. One of my colleagues also wanted to know about the Women's Day and the cause for the women.
Ek to meri jaan, it's so nice to see you always. What can I tell you about Women's Day? We don't need a day to be celebrated. The gentleman asking me the question is also born from a woman. So life itself is a celebration because ek aurat ka haath hai usme. It's an absolute privilege and an honor to be one and to celebrate that every single day of my life.
Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma will be racing the ramp.
Yes.
Have always been for Shah Rukh.
Yes.
What would you like to see? What are your
But that's not fair. I've always been for Shah Rukh and for Anushka. I think both of them are spectacular people and actors. I'm very excited. It's rare for me to be able to come and be in the audience and to applaud everyone's effort. So tonight I'm looking forward to whistle karna nahi aata, nahi to wo bhi karti hai aaj.
one last one thing. Please allow me to ask you about Mr. Karan Johar.
Yes.
Wishes for him.
For? मेरी जान आपकी आवाज़ नहीं पहुंच रही है, so suddenly I can't hear you. Oh yeah. You know, thank you. I can now hear you. Yes, congratulations, Karan Johar. इन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था that he has the nurturing qualities in him. He wants to start a family, and he's always been a guy who is owned by his heart. I'm very, very excited that Karan Johar is now a parent, and I have no doubt that his children will grow up to be amazing people. I'm very, very happy. हर एक बच्चा अलग होता है, हर एक parent अलग होता है. Just remember that you're here to nurture their talents and to give them the best possible life ever. I'm so happy for you, Karan. God bless you. Flaws? अम्मा इस जगह पे खड़े होकर बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है, बोलना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. What are my flaws? But like, मैं बहुत move पर हूँ. Thank you, guys.
just here to support Manish and Shabana ji in this beautiful cause that they are. I'm just here to support Manish and Shabana ji in this wonderful cause, and I'm just here as a friend. I just feel that you don't need to celebrate a day or one day for a woman, because I think women need to be celebrated every single day of their lives because they're all so beautiful. Not because I am, but because I've seen my mother, I've seen my sisters, and I think they are all beautiful souls. So they should be celebrated every day, not just one day. Thank you.
Arun,
What do you want me to say? Hi. Hello. About? I'm very proud that I'm associated with this cause. जहाँ काफ़ी औरतों को उन्हें काम मिला और they have a voice now, they're empowered, और I just feel proud that I'm associated with something so beautiful and a charity which I'm extremely I can relate to and I'm very, very proud of. And I would like to thank Manish for inviting me here. I love whatever he does, and this is a beautiful cause he's part of. And Shabana ma'am, she's a wonderful actor. I've grown up watching her work, but I think knowing that whatever she's doing, I love her a lot more because she's taking that extra step to help this cause, and I have a newfound respect for them now. Thank you. I think Women's Day should be every day. We need to celebrate us every day, and I think we're beautiful. We all are unique. And a woman today is not just a mother, but she's also she's everything. She's working. She's taking care of kids. She's she's a daughter. She's a sister. She's a very important part of society, and she's doing pretty much everything. And it takes a lot of strength to do that. So that I think we need to celebrate that strength every day. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hi, good evening. Hi. Yes. Sorry. Yes. जी. सबसे पहले मिज़वान के बारे में एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. वेबसाइट है. It's very easy. You can donate on the website. and I will contribute with my bit, and I hope that people take this forward and contribute with their bit, because it's a great cause, definitely. Yeah. A big fan of Shah Rukh sir, so definitely waiting to see him. Yes. I'm waiting for my next film too. I'm going to start shooting now. I think there's only 20 days left. Been rehearsing all day, all night, so I'm a bit tired right now. But I think 20 days I'll be on floor with my film, and then I think you should expect it by the end of this year. Yes. What is it? Women's Day, yes. नहीं इनकी आ रही है आवाज़. For Women's Day, I don't know what I want to say. Women are amazing. I would like to take my mother out for a dinner. I haven't taken her out for a very long time, and hopefully I can pay for it this year. So I'll take my mom out for dinner. That's all I can say right now.
I have to say that I'm always so consistently proud of the work that Shabana is doing. She is an inspiration to us all, and particularly what Shabana, Manish, and Namrata are doing. It's wonderful because they're working towards the education and the employment of women. So I think that Mijwan Welfare Society is doing a wonderful job.
Manish Malhotra's collection will be there.
No, I'm really looking forward to watching Shah Rukh and Anushka. What fun! And I'm sure Manish has done a wonderful and ethereal job of. I think they brought the chicken curry work to the forefront, as far as I know. So I'm looking forward to watching it.
Ankara, we have been listening to about your film, Lipstick Under the Burqa. What do you have to say about the film? Have you watched it till now? Would you like to say something about it?
No, I just want to say that it's very important for women to tell women's stories, and I think Alankrita Srivastava has done a wonderful job in Lipstick Under My Burqa. And I think that I'm really fed up of the fact that these kind of films are banned, and so many other kinds of films are not. No films should be banned at all. I think the CBFC should just give a certificate, and I think that we should watch all kinds of films. It's important that we watch films where women talk about themselves.
Do you know, see, this is very discouraging on part of being an actor, creative person, or a filmmaker, because these things still happen.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I think it's an unnecessary obstacle. In any case, it's a very difficult and stressful path. It's very difficult to get funding for these kind of films. And the film is winning awards abroad. It's really unfortunate that people in India can't. We'll see what the tribunal has to say. But people in India should have a right, to choose for themselves whether they want to watch the film or not.
What do you think is the possible solution like we can come up as a part of industry?
No, I don't have any solutions. I'm sorry to say.
Any steps as part of the film and
I think the Charm Benegal had a committee, and they are working towards it. And I think that the guidelines need to be revised and re-examined, and there should be people accountable, who can do that job. Yeah. Thank you.
You'll need to be louder. प्रियंका और मैं दोनों इस कॉज को सपोर्ट करते हैं एंड इट्स अ वेरी कमेंडेबल एफर्ट. हम साथ हैं, हमारे साथ है उनके शुरू से ही. अच्छा है, वेरी गुड. दैट्स अ गुड सपोर्ट फॉर एवरीबॉडी. क्या? प्रियंका अब गर्मियों में आएगी बेवॉच लेकर, पर मेजबान के साथ तो कई सालों से जुड़ी हुई है साथ में. थैंक यू.
Hello. Well, I think it's a wonderful cause, and Shabana ji called me and she said I had to be here, and I always have supported Mijwa, and I think it's a great initiative, and I think it's something that can be applied to any village across the country, and I think it's lovely how Manish, everyone's come together to sort of give it a platform to talk about some very real issues. They both are my favorites, and I think it's going to be a night with a lot of glamour, a lot of style, with a good cause at the root of it. Yes.
I know I wasn't here for the press conference. I was traveling. I was promoting my other film, so I was in the UK promoting that. Hi. Any message for Women's Day? Well, I would just like to say that every day is Women's Day, and there's not one specific day that we should celebrate and commemorate all the women around us. And I think if we just acknowledge the presence of what women are doing around us every single day, we should just. Yes. I am very excited for it, and in fact 3rd March को film UK में release हुई है. Inshallah we'll release the film here in August, which is closer to the 70 years of India's independence and partition. And we all thought it's the right time for a film like this, which is about partition, which is about human values, which is about the need to sort of look at love and humanity and not divide people on religious grounds. I think a film like that is the right time to release would be August in India. I mean, this is not the right platform to talk about Viceroy's house, but I'm playing a Muslim translator to Lord Mountbatten. I think we'll talk about it when the time is right. Yes. Well, lots of compliments. I think I'm very fortunate. I'm very glad I got to be a part of this beautiful film called Jolly LLB 2. And I'm really happy that not just critics, but I think people in general have enjoyed the film. I've got a lot of compliments about playing Pushpa, because Pushpa Pandey is this little unusual housewife. One has not seen a housewife like this before. Jo, matlab, she likes to have a little drink. So her husband makes a drink for her, he presses her feet, he sort of... so it's a very unusual dynamic that both of them have. And now that the film is out, I can talk about it. It's also this one time where he's sort of lost hope and he's sort of hit by, these goons. And she rises and she, in a way, fights these guys in her own housewifey way, and she sort of manages to, save him. And I think it's important to write strong characters for women. I have never cared about screen time, because I don't think good acting or bad acting is defined by how many number of minutes you are on screen. It's about what you end up doing. So I've got some very good feedback on playing Pushpa Pandey, and I'm very happy and very grateful for it. All right, thank you very much.
Shabana ji, I think, is an inspiration to all of us. She's been working so hard at Mizwan for so many years, and unfortunately I've never had a chance to come and support her. This is my first time at her annual show, and I give her all my best wishes, and I really hope for Mizwan to go from strength to strength. Oh wow. I didn't know that. I'm super excited. I was already excited. Now I'm really looking forward to seeing them.
Let me ask you about Karan. Karan is now a father, a parent.
I have no idea. I had no idea.
Is blessed with two twins.
ये कब की न्यूज़ है अभी? Oh, I'm delighted. I mean, what can I say? I need to go and make a call. Wow. Wonderful. What can I say? I mean, that's just wonderful. He deserves every happiness. He deserves every happiness that life can give him. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to hear this news. Thank you for the news. Thank you to the media for the news. सही में मुझे नहीं मालूम.
I had no idea. I live under a rock. मैं फ़ोन अपना उठाती नहीं हूँ. I'm not on social media. और मुझे actually किसी ने नहीं बताया. नहीं. आमिर ने बताया नहीं. I've not seen him actually all day, but anyway. Thank you.
My colleague wants to ask you about the Women's Day. It's on 8th of March, and the cause is also related. So would you like to share any message for Women's Day?
Well, as it's been said many times before, we need to do a lot of work for women to be given their, I think, rightful place in every walk of life. We do our bit in our filmmaking, and I think everyone must. And I'm happy that we've set aside a day to celebrate women, but we have to make it a daily celebration.
Well, I've always been part of Mijwan some way or the other because I've always felt for it, and I think there's some great work that they're doing. Manish Malhotra, Shabana ma'am, and Namrata, empowering women, kind of helping them get employment, and at the same time reviving chicken curry work, which is great. So I think it's a great cause, and really some really good work happening there. Yeah, I can't wait to see that. It's exciting. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Good evening.
Women's Day is also nearby. My colleague was
Sorry?
Women's Day is nearby.
Yeah.
8th of March.
Yeah.
Any message for everyone over here?
Well, I've always felt that it's really important for women to be independent, financially, socially, independent, because that's what's going to eventually take you far. And that being not dependent on somebody else and being dependent only on yourself is, I think, what we all need to work towards in some way or the other. It will make us stronger human beings, and especially in a society like ours, I think that's the one thing. That's the one thing that comes to mind. Oh, that I'll have to ask you guys. I think I'm pretty practical, which maybe is a good thing. I don't know. Sometimes it can be a flaw, but sometimes it can be a good thing as well. And I think I'm pretty stubborn, which can be a flaw. So yeah. But I guess both can be worked in good ways and bad. I'm busy shooting right now for my film Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. We've got a few days left. We just finished the second schedule, so we've got a little more left and then we're done. So yeah. Thank you.
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा थॉट है, बहुत अच्छी इनिशिएटिव है जो ये चली आ रही है, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल दैट वी कुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड या इट्स अ नाइस इनिशिएटिव. इट्स शबाना जी, मनीष मल्होत्रा सर एंड सब लोग का जो मिल के मेज़बान के लिए जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट में जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ it's like a great initiative, and I'm really glad that I could make it. जी, अरे मनीष सर उनका अटायर हमेशा से काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है, एंड ही इज़ द बेस्ट, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल कि मैं उनके आई कुड मैं उनके अटायर में हूँ और हो सकता हूँ. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी एंड या ये हमेशा ऐसे चलता रहे. सो या और वुमेंस डे. हाँ जी, एनी मैसेज फॉर वुमेंस डे. आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छे ओकेजन में आपने पूछा है कि मेज़बान में हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं सब लोग, एंड वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में काफ़ी चीज़ें चल रही हैं यहाँ पे. आई थिंक वी आर ऑल इक्वल्स एंड हम लोग कभी भी अपने आप को, विमेन को मैं सबको ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अपने आप को कभी भी मर्दों से कम ना सोचें. सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग विच आई वुड से, एंड हैप्पी वुमेंस डे. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
जी आई गेस यहाँ पे आए हुए सारे लोगों में शायद मैं एक ऐसा होगा जो मिजवां के साथ तब से जुड़ा है जब से ये शुरू हुआ है. मैं पहले मॉडल था और मिजवां के लिए काफ़ी मैंने वॉक्स किए हैं और जानता हूँ कि क्या होता है, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था, कहाँ से वो करीबन 40 स्त्रियों के साथ शुरू हुआ था और आज हमारे पास ऐसी दे हैव अबाउट 300 women who are working for Mijwan. So it's a great initiative and the cause is very pure, the intentions are very pure and the people who are working with pure hard work. So it's always great.
Let me click the picture, na? Show has started, so let me just come back.
saying something? Are we doing something? Should we start?
मुझे मालूम है बहुत 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 ही सुंदर है।
सर मेजवा में आइए ना।
मैं आऊँगा शबाना जी से।
दीदी कब लिवा के आ रहे हैं? कब लिवा के आ रही है मेजवा? उनको पूछो हम हेलीकॉप्टर में
We need to speak.
Start?
Come.
You have to go. Anushka, come.
I think more than anything else, I'll say, first of all, I'll just like to thank Shabana ji, Namrata, Manish, and the whole Mijwa family. A part of them is here. Or, of course, Anushka, to involve me in an aspect of life which is, I think, most important, which we rightly or wrongly say empowering women. I think it's about giving an equal playing field to women. So thank you so much, Mijwa. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Shabana ji. And of course Anushka. And I look like a prince because the clothes I've been given are by Manish and I'm walking next to a princess. So it rubs off on me.
You are the king.
Yeah.
So, you know.
But today I'm not showing off. I'm being humble today.
Very good. Many congratulations, Manish.
Thank you,
All of you. Now allow me to ask Manish first question.
Okay, allowed. Takliya.
मनीष बहुत ही अच्छा शो, बेहतरीन शो।
Thank you.
शो के बारे में बताएं और दोनों को कैसे ला पाए साथ में ये बताएं।
तो शाहरुख को हम लोग सब कितने सालों से जानते हैं and whenever we asked him for a show he said yes, he will do it and he immediately said yes and then I followed up with Pooja and they were, please come whenever you want us to. So I am overwhelmed. I love him, we all respect him. He's been just fantastic always. And the same since 25 years that we know each other. He looks the same, his body is the same, and he's the same person. So he's fantastic.
मगर मनीष इनको बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं मालूम था कि इतनी कसरत करवाई जाएगी। अनुष्का और शाहरुख को बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा नहीं तो
इसके बाद शाहरुख बोलेंगे जब मैं फैशन शो पे फोन कर तो बोलेंगे मैं बताता हूँ।
फैशन शो कुछ और की थोड़ी कसरत कुछ और की थी। ये कितने किलोमीटर का होगा? बिल्कुल इसके बाद मैराथन कर सकते हैं।
And Anushka has walked with us for Mijwa earlier. And Air Dil Hai Mushkil के टाइम हमारी एक कमिटमेंट थी कि twice earlier. So she was like, I will do your next show, and she's here. I love her. She does what she says, and she's wonderful.
पहली बार you are working for this cause. Words on this.
दुनिया का सबसे बुरा।
पहली बार
ये मेरी पहले तो खुशकिस्मती है कि मुझे ये मौका मिला और मैं जेन्युइनली बार बार धन्यवाद कर रहा हूँ। हालांकि मेरे दोस्त हैं, मैं सालों से जानता हूँ, सीनियर्स हैं, पर शबाना जी का, मनीष का, नम्रता का कि मुझे ऐसा मौका दिया, क्योंकि मजाक एक तरफ है लेकिन रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ऐसे मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं कि हम किसी भी तरह से, मैं अनुष्का फिर भी करती रहती हैं, मुझे मौका बहुत कम मिलता है कि मैं ऐसी चीज़ों में भाग ले सकूं जो जेन्युइनली हार्टफेल्ट और बहुत खूबसूरत है। तो आप ये देखें, मिज़वा के बच्चे यहाँ पर हैं, औरतें यहाँ पर हैं जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत सारी ऐसी हैं जो यहाँ पर नहीं हैं और जो काम वहाँ पर हो रहा है, चाहे मुझे उसका पूरा इल्म ना हो, I may not have the full knowledge of what's happening there, but I know it's very heartfelt and it is making, in helping women have an even playing field. and I think that's important. So I really am very thankful and I'm very happy. और next time मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा फिर से, जब मनीष बुलाएंगे, शबाना जी बुलाएंगे, नम्रता बुलाएंगी, और मैं वर्कआउट करके नहीं आऊँगा. That is a given. And genuinely a big thanks to Anushka for standing by me and making me look as beautiful as I look right now. It's only because of her.
हम सब उनको बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं, लेकिन ये मौका नहीं है, इसमें आप ज़रा मिजवा के ऊपर ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए.
For me, I think there is no bigger cause. In the place I am, in the situation I am, in the life I've led, I think any cause which is related to giving an even playing field to women is closest to my heart.
Sir, please allow me. He wants to know, Mr. Karan Johar has been blessed.
Health and happiness, yeah. I mean, this is actually still very personal. So don't think I'm being cagey or not wanting to answer. But it's a very personal moment. I've had this moment before, so I know how personal it is. So let's respect that and leave it at that. And we'll have celebrations and love and happiness and health later.
Thank you so much.
And just for Mijwa. मिजवा कहें धड़कने तुझसे क्या. बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है यार, मतलब मैं क्या तारीफ करूं अपनी पिक्चर की अपने मुंह से. बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर.
और सर अनुष्का की भी फिल्म आने वाली है 24 मार्च को.
एक्चुअली like शबाना जी says, I'm part of the trailer also. मैं आऊँगा ट्रेलर के अंदर. मैं पिक्चर में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन I wish her the best and all of us here. इम्तियाज़ भी यहाँ पे, सब जितने भी लोग हैं, ये बच्चे हैं. Genuinely, it's a very happy place and a very happy moment. So let's celebrate Mijwa and this fashion show of Manish and all the boys and girls who walked the ramp. बड़ा amazing show था यार, international,
Beautiful.
like Paris and Milan.
Yeah, stunning show.
बॉलीवुड एक्टर ह्यूज जैकमैन ने कहा है कि अगर वुल्वरीन का किरदार अगर कोई इंडियन एक्टर कर सकता है तो वो सिर्फ
बिल्कुल सत्य कहा है, बिल्कुल सच कहा है, और उन्होंने सत्य वचन कहा है बिल्कुल. लेकिन मुझे छाती पे थोड़े बाल उगाने पड़ेंगे. मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं तेल लगा रहा हूँ हर रोज, सांडे का तेल लगा रहा हूँ अपनी छाती पे. सांडे का कि मेरे बाल पे थोड़े से छाती के अगर बाल आ गए ना, उसके बाद देखो मैं ऐसा वुल्वरीन बनूंगा. बेटा तूने कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी की ना, मैं हेडबट करूंगा. मैं अच्छे मौके पे आया हूँ. चिनकारी पहनी हुई है मैंने, चिनकारी, चिकनकारी, सॉरी चिकनकारी, सॉरी. कल शाम को 8 बजे तेरे साथ मेरी मुलाकात होगी और इस पे हम बहुत लंबी चर्चा करेंगे.
यहाँ बस let's talk about the show.
मैं बहुत शातिर हो चुका हूँ.
They've been fabulous. I think. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much everyone for being here.
Thank you.
Have dinner, enjoy yourself, and happy Mijwa, and thank you everybody.
How you've come here, I don't understand.
तू अंदर क्यों है? इसको अंदर किसने आने दिया?
ये अकेले अंदर कैसे है?
अच्छा, तो इलीगल इमिग्रेंट है तू.
बॉलीवुड का जो अकेडमी अवार्ड्स है, ऑस्कर, उसमें भी अनुष्का पहुंच गई थी.
मिजवा
मैं मिलता हूँ, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ.
मिलेंगे जल्द, सब मिलेंगे. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू.
Thank you guys, thank you.
आदाब, नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, ख़वातीन और हज़रात, आप सब लोगों का इस खूबसूरत शाम में खैर मक़दम है, स्वागत है. मिजवा समर कुटूर 2017 by the one and only Manish Malhotra. Neetu, you can smile, you don't have to look at me so seriously. Is a spectacular evening that showcases the chicken curry of women from a tiny village, Mijwa, in eastern UP, Azamgarh. As some of you are aware, Mijwa Welfare Society is an NGO that was founded by my father, lyricist and poet Kaifi Azmi, to empower the girl child and women in rural India. वो मेरा गांव है, वो मेरे गांव के चूल्हे. वो मेरा गांव है, वो मेरे गांव के चूल्हे कि जिनमें शोले तो शोले, धुआं नहीं मिलता. Wrote Kaifi Azmi in anguish when he went back to his village 40 years after he had moved to Mumbai. Mijwa was a tiny village frozen in time. It did not even have the basic civic amenities. In spite of the fact that Kaifi Sahab had suffered a brain hemorrhage because of which his left leg and his left arm was incapacitated for life, he decided to settle down in Mijwa and serve his village. In a deeply patriarchal society, where the boy is privileged over the girl just for sheer dint of being a boy, several obstacles and several hurdles had to be faced to give the girl child equal opportunity and make her rise to the level of her potential. But Kaifi Sahab persevered. A girl in Mijwa aspires to be a computer engineer, aspires to be an entrepreneur, aspires to be an actor, aspires to be a beautician, aspires to skies and unlimited aspirations. That is the success story of Mijwa. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening, Mijwa Summer Couture 2017 by the one and only Manish Malhotra is truly a fashion show with a difference, because it has pomp, it has glamour, it has stars. But underlying all that is a story of empowerment, of confidence, of grace, of the privileged stretching out their hands to hold the hands of those on whom the sun is still to shine in India. Manish Malhotra, by giving these women a livelihood, has encouraged them, empowered them, so they can negotiate more space for themselves. अपनों की तारीफ नहीं करते हैं, अपनों को थैंक यू नहीं बोलते हैं, मगर थैंक यू Manish Malhotra. Yes, yes, you can give it to him. And now, without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite in front of you a dynamo, a bundle of energy, a young woman who doesn't take no for an answer, supported by a team, the Mijwa team, that makes the impossible possible. Please put your hands together for my goddaughter, the secretary and youth president of Mijwa Welfare Society, Namrata Goyal.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being here for our 6th annual Mijwa Fashion Show. Once again, it's great to see all of you here supporting us and supporting the work that we do in Mijwa. And I just thought that since this year we've considered a due family, I must share a few of my inner struggles that I have been going through. You know, it's really interesting, but every single time I go to Mijwa, I feel I'm on an emotional roller coaster. On the one hand, I look at all the development that has happened. We're now in the process of building an English school. Girls say no to marriage below the age of 18 because it's illegal. But then when I come back, then I stare out of my Altamount Road apartment and I look at the stark realities of life staring back at me, I feel almost accused in my conscience, as though I wasn't doing enough, as if much more needed to be done. I remember that one dying man who could not afford to pay 60 rupees for his daughter's education because he didn't have the means to do so. So I just wonder, who is to blame? Am I responsible for not having created equal opportunities for them? Am I responsible that the fact that so many skilled young women and men, girls and boys my age, unfortunately are out of jobs because we haven't taken the initiative of creating small-scale industries in the villages itself? And of course, then they come to the city and they have slums, and then we complain saying our city is dirtied by them. So we need to take a pause and think about this. I also wonder how many more, without your support, it's not possible. We have to get into a partnership, you and us, together, towards a more just, equitable society, to see change taking place. Even as Kefi Saab said, even if the change takes place after we're gone. I do believe, and today I'm speaking to you not as Namrata Goel, with all the privileges that I have, but as the daughter of Mijwa, asking you to come forward and donate generously. But not only donate, it doesn't stop there. Get involved in our movement, because you need to be the change you wish to be. I genuinely believe the legacy is an inheritance. Legacy is our gift to the world. Legacy is an act of generosity on our side. So I would like to end by Kefi Saab's few words. Kharo khas to uthe, rasta to chale. Kharo khas to uthe, rasta to chale. Main agar thak gaya, kafila to chale. Chand suraj, buzurgon ke naqshe kadam. Chand suraj, buzurgon ke naqshe kadam. Khair bujhne do unko, hawa to chale. Thank you very, very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here tonight.
Thank you. Thank you, Namrata. And now, for the very special people from Mijwa, please put your hands together for Shweta, for Aditi, for Sanyogita, for Sunita, for Ashutosh, and for Rahul. They have come all the way from Mijwa, and I'm so, so happy to have them here. I would like to ask Shweta कि आप कुछ लफ्ज़ कहें.
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, मेरा नाम श्वेता प्रजापति है. मैं कैफ़ी आज़मी गर्ल्स इंटर कॉलेज की स्टूडेंट हूँ. ज़िंदगी में पहली बार इतने बड़े शहर में आई हूँ, और वो भी प्लेन से. गांव वापस जाकर सबसे बताऊंगी कि हमारा मिजवा तो पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर हो गया है. मेरा मानना है कि लड़के और लड़कियां बिल्कुल बराबर होते हैं. हम वो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं जो हमारा भाई कर सकता है, बस हमें मौका मिलना चाहिए. थैंक यू मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी हमें ये मौका देने के लिए. आज हमारे गांव में किसी भी लड़की की शादी 18 साल से पहले नहीं होती, क्योंकि हम शादी तो करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन पढ़ लिख कर कुछ बन जाने के बाद. थैंक यू.
जीते रहो. वाह वाह श्वेता. Aditi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aditi Sharma. I belong to Mijwa. It was my dream to come to Mumbai and attend a fashion show. I'm so excited that I still can't believe it. I want to grow up and become an actress like Shabana Bua. Dada Baba always said, girls are equal to boys. All we need is opportunity. Thank you, Mijwa, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. Give it to them, please. Let's go back. And may we have the AV, please? Aja. Come. Thank you very much. Rahul, just take them to their... Your hands together for Javed Akhtar.
Good evening, everybody. It's really wonderful seeing you all here. Your presence tells me that you care. You care for those who are not as privileged, not as empowered, not as fortunate as you and me are. I wonder if you really know that this one evening will make what kind of a difference in the life of many families in a small village for at least 1 year. I remember very clearly when I had seen Mijwa for the first time almost 25 years back. Here was a village right in the midst of nowhere with perhaps 50 houses and 25, 30 huts. And there was total hopelessness, depression in the atmosphere. Those people had never seen a telephone. They had never seen TV. And today, thanks to Mijwa Society, that same very village has a school, a computer center, a women's vocation center, a maternity home, TV, telephone, a post office. Thanks to one person named Mr. Kafi Azmi, who started this movement, and then it was carried on by Shabana and Namrata. Before I recite a poem that I want to recite, I must say a few words about Mr. Kafi Azmi. You know, it is a common saying कि शायरों की कथनी में और करनी में बड़ा अंतर होता है. वो कहते कुछ हैं, लिखते कुछ हैं, लेकिन जीते अलग तरह हैं. I think, in a way, it's understandable, because most of the poets write such wonderful things. To live on that level is not easy. So maybe they fall short. But here was one person, if there was any, one poet who lived his poetry. If he wrote about secularism, secularism was not an empty slogan for him. His life was secular. His way of life was secular. If he wrote about women empowerment, then he had people, his daughter, Shabana, his wife, Shaukat, who were empowered women. If he wrote about workers and farmers, he did not write in his comfort, but he worked with them. He went back to a village that had nothing and provided them so much. A physically handicapped person, a man who had only one leg and one hand. He was paralyzed on the other side. And he, with his resilience, with his persuasion, brought things up to this point. He made so much of difference. But what really surprises me, that at the same time, this man was an extremely romantic poet also. On one hand, he wrote revolutionary poetry, poetry which is socio-politically conscious. But on the other side, he was extremely romantic. I mean, perhaps there were two poets within one poet. Strange person. Ajeeb Aadmi Tha wo. And that is the title of my poem. Ajeeb Aadmi Tha wo. अजीब आदमी था वो, मोहब्बतों का गीत था, बगावतों का राग था. कभी वो सिर्फ फूल था, कभी वो सिर्फ आग था. अजीब आदमी था वो मुफलिसों से कहता था कि दिन बदल भी सकते हैं. वो जाबिरों से कहता था तुम्हारे सर पे सोने के जो ताज हैं कभी पिघल भी सकते हैं. वो बंदिशों से कहता था मैं तुमको तोड़ सकता हूं. सहूलतों से कहता था मैं तुमको छोड़ सकता हूं. हवाओं से वो कहता था मैं तुमको मोड़ सकता हूं. वो ख्वाब से ये कहता था कि तुझको सच करूंगा मैं. वो आरज़ू से कहता था मैं तेरा हम सफर हूं, तेरे साथ ही चलूंगा मैं. तू चाहे जितनी दूर भी बना ले अपनी मंजिलें, कभी नहीं थकूंगा मैं. वो जिंदगी से कहता था कि तुझको मैं सजाऊंगा. तू मुझसे चांद मांग ले, मैं चांद लेके आऊंगा. वो आदमी से कहता था कि आदमी से प्यार कर, उजड़ रही है ये जमीन, कुछ इसका आप सिंगार कर. अजीब आदमी था वो जिंदगी के सारे गम, हर एक सितम, तमाम दुख से कहता था मैं तुमसे जीत जाऊंगा. कि तुमको तो हरा ही देगा एक रोज आदमी, भुला ही देगा ये जहां. मेरी अलग है दास्तां. वो आंखें जिनमें ख्वाब है, वो दिल है जिनमें धड़कने, वो बाजू जिनमें है सकत, वो होंठ जिन पे लफ्ज हैं. रहूंगा उनके दरमियां कि जब मैं बीत जाऊंगा. अजीब आदमी था वो.
क्या बात है. वाह 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 जावेद साहब. Lubna, will you now make the next announcement, please?
A reminder, ladies and gentlemen, please do not move around the area while the show is going on. And now, please welcome Suman Sridhar and the Black Mamba.
Yay, yay!
तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया, कि जहां मिल गया। एक भटके हुए राही को
Thank you very much, everyone. फिर मैं आपको cover कर लूँगा ना मैं. Okay. So thank you very much, first of all, the whole team at Mijwa for the work they're doing. Of course, Shabana ji, Namrata, Manish, and a lot of people behind the scenes who are working very hard to make this work what they really believe in. And I normally don't get opportunities to come and show my good side, do the things that rich, big movie stars who are good looking and sexy are supposed to do. So this is my bit. So genuinely from the bottom of my heart, to all the boys and girls also who've taught me how to walk, and my wonderful friend Anushka, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, genuinely. I've been trying to, because I'm that kind of person who never comes to a function without Googling and finding out what they do. So I found out everything about Mijwa. From the time Kaifi Saab put this whole thing together, and how Azamgarh and Azmi comes through. But the work they're doing, they started with 15 to 20 ladies, young girls, and they've gone on to have about 400 people now. Am I correct?
That's right. Yes, you've done your homework.
God bless
Kya
Google.
baat hai aapki?
Yeah, मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. And but I genuinely want to say, and the people in the back who are watching my butt right now, I'm sorry.
Bring them here, the Mijwa girls,
really
just bring them
talking to
here
you all
quickly.
also. I'm sorry, this is a little circular thing which is completely new for me, which is making me gain in confidence as a ramp model. And all the boys, you guys watch out, dude. I'm coming, and I'm going to do this ramp stuff. I'm becoming good at it, okay? But honestly, because of Shabana ji, Manish, and Namrata, they've known me since I came to Mumbai. At some time or the other, have been extremely supportive. And what they're doing right now with Mijwa is genuinely one of the finest things, Yeah, it's a small aspect of the world. And we keep talking about empowering ladies, which is a misnomer according to me. So I'll turn around here also and tell everyone, it's a misnomer. It's like, save our bloody planet. No, you don't save the bloody planet. The planet saves you. The planet is looking after you. And similarly, when we say empower women, there is nothing like empowering women. They are more powerful than us. All we need to do is genuinely give all the ladies, all the young girls, all women an even playing field. That's all they are asking for. And I know, and we have to believe this, realistically, it's an unfair world. It's a man's world. And we have taken this for granted for too bloody long. Guys, cut out the bloody word. I get into trouble with the non-liberals. But I just want to tell you this, that genuinely we've taken this for granted for too long. All we need to do is offer an even playing field. And Mijwa, in its own small way, and in its own fantastically big way, is doing the same thing. It's taking these ladies, giving them an even playing field. Women, I do believe, if they are taught learning, the learning goes much. Am I speaking too much?
No, you're not speaking too much. But here are these young girls from Mijwa. This is Shweta.
Shweta, you're the only person I've met who's got better dimples than me.
This
So
is Aditi.
I have to kiss you. Thank you, Shweta, for doing this. Okay.
This is Sayukta. She's done the wonderful
Aditi,
work
thank
you've
you.
seen.
Girls,
and that
yeah,
is Sangeeta.
I have to take advantage of this. I know you got sindoor and stuff, but you got to hug me and
हाँ
give
हाँ
me
चलो
love, yeah.
जल्दी जल्दी
Come on,
जल्दी.
come on. Thank you so much for doing what you're doing. And I really want to say this because I won't get an opportunity. I'll get back to my capitalist, a lot of money earning world quickly right after this. I get this opportunity because of Shabana ji and Manish and Namrata. Where's Namrata? Lovely little Namrata. And I just want to say this, that, if learning is given as is being done in Mijwa, when a learning is given to a woman, it goes much further and wider than when learning is given to a man. Men are good, they're nice, they're doing their stuff, and it's really nice. But women take it further. They take it to children, they take it to society, they take it to everyone else. Labor, handcrafted stuff that they're doing, chicken curry. I'm really sorry, I've never worn a chicken curry stuff before. This is the first time I like chicken, so I'm happy. Yeah. To all PETA followers, really sorry about this, but I like chicken, yeah, man. This is mine. And generally, you're a vegetarian, you can wear chicken curry. Yeah. So I just want to say, when labor and the essence of labor and work is given into the hands of women, they are much more intricate, they are much more honest about it and earnest about it. And this is an experience I've had all my life, being an actor, being a producer, being whatever capacity that I've been, even a son, a brother, a husband, a father. And the third part, when you give leadership in the hands, which Mijwa is giving, and your organization is giving, I think they're going to rule. And the last but not the least, because I'm here, I'm a romantic hero, love. There's nobody who loves like women. So please, it is important that we give these things in the hands of women. Not to empower them, just give them an even feel, because they are better human beings. And that's the only way we can save the planet. So thank you, Mijwa, for having me over here. Thank you for the stuff that you're doing.
Thank you, Shahrukh. And let me seize this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to say that Shahrukh Khan acted in a film in which he insisted on giving Deepika Padukone credit title above him. At that time, I said, that's wonderful. But what would be really wonderful if he did a women-centric film in which he had the smaller part to do, and he went and did Dear Zindagi. So, jeete raho, khush raho, that's really empowerment.
I know this is going to be so taken out of context, Shabana ji, what I'm going to say now.
No, but you're talking about empowerment of women and the fact that you actually did
what
it.
I'm going to say now and get into
मगर
trouble.
कुछ तो तारीफ करना जरूरी था ना?
Can I मैं ऐसी बात करूं जिससे मुझको trouble हो जाए इस शो के बाद?
नहीं, ऐसा मत करिए.
अच्छा नहीं करूं आज.
नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए.
But I can still say Mijwa and women on top.
Yay! And ladies and gentlemen, Anushka has worked with us before. We consider her part of the Mijwa family. Thank you so much for being here. Anushka, I know you're deeply committed to the empowerment of the girl child, and we'd like you to say a few words.
Should I hold both of them? You can use both. I think, good evening everybody. I think Shahrukh has spoken so beautifully, like he always does. I just want to thank you all, Shabana ji, you, Namrata, you, Manish, you, for giving me this opportunity, because like Shahrukh said, the greatest thing that you can do is to create livelihood for people. And even greater than that is to empower women while doing so. So hats off to you guys, and I congratulate you. And I look forward to another opportunity to associate with you all again and do whatever I can in my capacity, in my little way, as I have today. More power to all of you all.
Thank you, Jeete Rao, Suman, and the gang. Thank you, thank you. It was absolutely wonderful. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the show. This madman, jiska naam hai Manish Malhotra, he has put this whole thing together in 10 days. So give it to Manish Malhotra. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. अच्छा आप उठ भी जाइए, शो खत्म हो चुका है. Thank you. Thank you.